Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the basics set. Make sure your AirPods Max are paired and your iPhone or iPad is updated to the version that supports spatial audio. Once paired, enable Bluetooth and open Control Center. Long press the audio card to reveal spatial audio controls. Put the headphones on so automatic head detection registers your presence. This immediate action lets the system calibrate head tracking and prepares the device to switch from stereo to spatial rendering as you move. Next, toggle spatial audio and head tracking on in the audio card or under settings Bluetooth AirPods Max. Play content that supports directional audio, like Apple TV Plus or Dolby-enabled tracks, because unsupported sources will remain stereo. As you move your head, listen for the soundstage staying anchored to the screen. That confirms proper spatial rendering. Make sure volume is moderate. Spatial effects can seem exaggerated at extreme levels. If you use an Apple TV box, select the correct audio output in its setting. To finish, verify the spatial indicator in Control Center shows active and try switching between fixed and head-tracked modes to choose your preference. Personalize spatial audio under accessibility if you need custom balance or processing. Test across apps to confirm consistency. If spatial audio doesn't engage, update device and AirPods Max firmware, repair the headphones, or perform a factory reset on the AirPods Max. As a quick troubleshooting tip, restart the source device. That often resolves handshake or codec negotiation problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.